Hi guys, let's talk about the top 3 vitamins you can take to put an end to proteinuria and heal your kidneys. You see, kidney problem appears in several forms like kidney stone, polycystic kidney disease, but there is other form which is called glomerulonephritis. For most people dealing with proteinuria, usually stem from this. So first of all, what is proteinuria? Now, proteinuria basically simply means when you go to the bathroom to pee. Now, when you are peeing, you notice that your urine becomes very foamy, almost as if a soap had been mixed with it. Now, the kidneys, your kidney, my kidney, is made up of a cluster of a tiny filter called glomerulus. So the function of the glomerulus is simply to filter the blood. It filters the blood while keeping important things like proteins and letting out all of those waste products of metabolism like urea as well as creatinine and even excess fluid through your urine. But when the glomerulus is being damaged, whether by inflammation, high blood pressure, diabetes or infection, that causes the glomerulus to start leaking those important things like protein into your urine, and that causes your urine to appear foamy, which is proteinuria. So I'm going to give you a list of 3 vitamins that can help heal your glomerulus and help treat proteinuria. So let's get into it. Alright, first is vitamin D. Vitamin D. Now, vitamin D is a fast-soluble vitamin. Fast-soluble vitamin. Now, it's not really a vitamin because most of the time it acts more like a hormone. Now, for proteinuria, research consistently shows that vitamin D plays a protective role in the kidney. But despite this protective role, a lot of people with kidney problems are very deficient in vitamin D. Now, inside the kidneys are specialized cells called podocytes, which are wrapped around the glomerular capillaries, forming the final barrier that prevents protein from leaking into urine. When the glomerulus is damaged, whether by inflammation, high blood pressure, the podocyte is going to start detaching and dying, creating gap in the filtration barrier. So that causes protein to start leaking into the urine. But vitamin D actually helps stabilize the podocytes, reducing their detachment and also strengthening the integrity of glomerulus. Okay, so vitamin D actually play a very protective role in stabilizing the podocyte as well as reducing their detachment. And beyond that, vitamin D also helps reduce renin. Now, renin is a protein that helps regulate your blood pressure. Now, when your renin level is very high, that increases your blood pressure. Now, when your renin level is low, that helps lower your blood pressure. And it happens that vitamin D helps lower renin. So those people who are deficient in vitamin D, usually we have high blood pressure, which can result in kidney damage, and that will result in proteinuria. Now, along with this benefit, vitamin D is also a very potent anti-inflammatory vitamins, which means that when you take vitamin D, it can help reduce that inflammation in your glomerulus, it can help heal your kidney, and that can help treat proteinuria. So if you are looking to overcome proteinuria, I would highly recommend you start taking vitamin D. Now, you can get it from sunlight, you can also get it from supplement through supplementation, and some diets are also very rich in vitamin D, like fatty fish like salmon. You can also get vitamin D from liver, meat, egg yolks. These are the common sources of vitamin D. So I encourage you all to start taking them. Now, the second nutrient on the list, or the second vitamin rather, is vitamin B6, which goes by the name pyridosine. Now, vitamin B6 is very important for the kidney. Okay. Now, what you need to understand is that there is a chemical compound called homocysteine. Homocysteine. Now, this compound is very, very pro-inflammatory. It can result in a lot of inflammation in your body. It can result in inflammation in your kidneys. Okay. But by taking vitamin B6, that helps reduce homocysteine. So vitamin B6 actually helps reduce inflammation, helps regulate your homocysteine, and also protect your delicate blood vessel. So in other words, taking vitamin B6 help ease kidney stress and also prevent further damage to the kidneys. So where can you get vitamin B6? Well, you can get them in vegetable. You can get them in sweet potatoes. You can also get them in white potato. You can get them in eggs. You can get them in legumes like chicken peas, and then you can also get them in poultry. Okay, these are the common sources of vitamin B6, so definitely start taking them. And lastly is vitamin C. Now vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. It's a water-soluble vitamin that is known for its immune system boosting properties. Now vitamin B6 is also water-soluble. Now, if you have had injuries on your gum in the past or your lip, you may likely have been recommended vitamin C. Now, vitamin C is very important in wound healing, is very important in wound repair. Now, just the same way vitamin C helps in wound healing, it's also very good for the kidneys. Now, when you have an inflammation in your kidneys, when you have your kidney be inflamed, when you have free radicals build up in your kidney, vitamin C, which is a very potent antioxidant, can help scavenge those free radicals. They can help neutralize those free radicals and reduce that inflammation and help heal your kidneys. Now, along with that, vitamin C also helps regulate your blood pressure, and that is by improving your nitric oxide. Nitric oxide, which helps relaxes your blood vessel, thereby promoting a normal blood pressure. Okay, so vitamin C actually plays a very huge role in protecting your kidneys, because like I've said before, high blood pressure is a critical risk factor for kidney disease. So taking vitamin C is going to help lower your blood pressure. It's going to help reduce that inflammation in your kidneys. Now, vitamin C is also known for its ability to boost collagen production. Now, our blood vessel, the blood vessels of the kidney, is also made up of collagen. So by taking vitamin C, now because collagen helps in wound repair, helps in blood vessel repair, helps in tissue repair, vitamin C can really be very beneficial in preventing protein leakage, in preventing proteinuria. Okay, so I would really recommend you start taking vitamin C. So you can get this vitamin C by eating citrus like lemon, oranges. You can also get them in some berries like blueberries, strawberries, raspberry. Now on top of that, you can get them in kiwi fruits. Okay, so those are the common sources of vitamin C. I would really encourage you to start taking them, and then for faster function, I recommend you start taking the supplement as well. Okay, vitamin C is very nephroprotective. So if you are looking to overcome proteinuria, start taking vitamin D, start taking vitamin B6, and also start taking vitamin C. This is going to help heal your kidney. This is going to help improve your glomerular function rate, and that is going to help prevent proteinuria. All right. Now, if you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, and then don't forget to subscribe as well. Thanks for watching.